Hi, this is Ken Lau. Right, in this video I share with you a technique that is useful, and it's called removing background. So first you have a picture. You can enlarge it, right? You can enlarge it first, and the moment you select the picture, you can have a picture format on the top. So then you have a remove background. So you can just click on the remove background, and you can see that the picture is already there, but the hand is not there. So what you do is you can choose on this mark area to keep. So click on this mark area, click, and then you just select slowly, just put there. So over here. So so basically, yeah, you need to do a few more time if that works. Okay, so that's about it, right? You can always, if you have say you don't need this part here, or maybe you don't want red color, you can click on the mark to remove. So just click on this, and then let's say you don't want the red color, although it's pretty hard for this issue. But let's just see, almost there. But you click on this button and then go to picture format, click remove background again, and you want to mark it back. Right, click on this, almost there. Right? You can see that this part is not needed. Right? Then you can use the other one. Mark to remove. Choose this. Quite close to it, right? So yeah, that is how you use the remove background. The best one is that you use a green screen at the back, and then you can easily take it. But it's still better than the previous step, right? So I hope this is useful to you. Thanks for watching.